What's going on, YouTubers? Week 24 is in the books. We started the week off with $12,692 invested in the high risk portfolio. We averaged 40% distribution with the portfolio this week. Our top performers, PLTW coming in at 90%. TSLW, they came in at 87%. And my least favorite ticker, ULTY. This one came in at 79%. You must think I'm crazy if this is the top three. ULTY, I've owned it for almost a year, and it's just slowly been bleeding out, so not my favorite. Let's get into the numbers. QQQY, this one came in at 38% distribution, giving us $5. And 42 cents. Next one up, QDTE. This one came in at 21% distribution, giving us $1.17. It's pretty low, 20s. QDTY. This one came in at 31% distribution, giving us just over 50 cents. Excuse me. WDTE. 30% distribution, $3.25 added to the snowball. XDTE, this one came in at 22% distribution, $1.35 added to the snowball. 20%, seeing a lot of them this week. SDTY, this one came in at 26% distribution, giving us almost 50 cents. IWMY, this one came in at 51% distribution, giving us $7. RDTE, this one is our lowest performer of the week, coming in at 20% distribution. That's pretty sad, giving us $1.08. RDTY, this one came in at 34% distribution, giving us 30 cents. YBTC, this one came in at 22% distribution, $1.62 added to the portfolio. YieldMax came in at 68% distribution, $4.33 on the snowball. YMAG came in at 57% distribution, giving us $4.10. Let's effing go. 60% distribution, giving us $7.09. Yahoo's off by a penny. GPTY, this one came in at 34% distribution, giving us just over $1.50 for the snowball. NVDW came in at 48% distribution, giving us almost $2. NVII, this is a new one we got from Rex last week. This is our first distribution we received from this one. This is the first distribution that they have given out since this one has hit the market. Came in at 51% distribution, giving us just over $0.50. TSLW came in at 87% distribution, $1.59 added to the snowball. We added that to the portfolio. TSII added to the portfolio this morning. AAPW, this one came in at 38% distribution, giving us $2.12 for the snowball. COIW, 45% distribution, giving us almost $1. Can you hear the dogs? They just came in. COII, we added this one to the portfolio this morning. PLTW, our top performer for the weekly distributions, coming in at 90% distribution. This one gave us $4.06 for the snowball. ULTY, this one came in at 79% distribution, giving us $48.26. And as you can see, I fired them. I finally got rid of ULTY. This has been the worst performing ticker as far as face value. I bought it quite some time ago, and it's been slowly bleeding out. I was down negative 45% on this one. With the distributions, I made a little bit of money to cover my losses. With Uncle Sam taking 22%, it made my profits almost minimal to barely anything. I should be able to write off my loss on my taxes on this one, so technically I made a little bit of money on this one. I would say this was definitely a bad buy. MAGY. This one came in at 25% distribution, giving us 55 cents. And last but not least, MST. This one came in at 77% distribution, giving us a little over half a buck. And we did not hit the $100 mark. Bummer. All right, let's take a look at the results. Week 24, Nasdaq 100. As always, Defiance beating out the competition. Roundhill and YieldMax can't keep up with them. S&P 500, Defiance takes it again, crushing the competition. Roundhill and YieldMax were only in the 20s. And Defiance clears the board, takes the Russell 2000 small cap, 51%, crushing Roundhill and YieldMax. How embarrassing for them. All right, I think that's it. I added 3 more stocks from Rex, so we'll see the results of the first distributions on those next week. And I even out the money that I got from selling ULTY, my least favorite ticker in this portfolio. And so we'll see a little bit better results coming in for the distributions, pennies and dollars. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.